I'm about to do a tutorial, and I do this height. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Abneil. I'm hella excited right now. I'm about to do a nice, cool bald. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Abneil, and today I'm gonna do a high ball taper tutorial. My buddy kind of gets it a little different. He'll do a high ball taper on the side, then he'll get a shadow taper in the back. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm gonna do it a little different today. I'm gonna be joining you in the video the whole time in this little probably area in the bottom left hand corner. Just trying new different stuff. I'm learning something new every day with this whole video editing stuff. So between that and cutting hair, I've been going nuts. So I'm really excited for you guys to see this new project of mine. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, or if you guys have any questions about the haircut and what I'm doing, please don't forget, comment. I'm down to interact with you guys in any way, shape, or form. This is Abneil, and without further ado, let's get right into it, alright? Alright guys, so let's jump right into it. I'm gonna be watching it here on my iPad while I'm talking to you guys about it on your screen, okay? So like I said, we're gonna be doing a high ball taper today. One of my clients, one of my good buddies, I've been knowing him for a couple of years now, I've been cutting his hair. We're gonna do the one guard close with the grain, so we're gonna be going forward. We're not gonna go against the grain, but forward, okay? So you always wanna make sure you're brushing and combing before you pass your guard, just so that you know which way the hair is growing. And some people's hair, they grow in different directions, so you don't want to patch them, because if you do hit it against the grain in any way, shape, or form, it'll end up making a nice patch for you. You don't want that. So as you can see right here, when I'm hitting the back, he's kind of light in his back area back here. That's why we kind of do a shadow taper as well on him. So what I end up doing is I pass the one guard with the grain all the way down, and then I'll show you what I do in the back for his shadow taper. Now right here in his cowlick area, you want to be really careful. You really want to comb out the hair to see in what direction it grows. That way, if it's growing sideways, you pass the guard sideways. If it's growing up, you pass it up, and so on and so forth. So you'll see I'll kind of go in kind of like a circular motion, and just make sure that you're hitting the hair in the exact way that it grows, okay? Alright, so we're gonna make our first guideline with the trimmer. He's not gonna have the C cup, so we're gonna do it from the bottom of his box to the beginning of his ear. So we're gonna make that line and then bald him out with the shavers. Now after that, we're gonna make another guideline with the lever open. You're gonna do that about, I wanna say like 3/4 of an inch to an inch thick or high. And then you're gonna lower your lever and erase that line as well. Now you're gonna make another guideline with the one guard open, again about an inch high. And then you just wanna make sure that you're hitting the hair in whatever direction it grows in. Like right there, you saw me kind of doing it diagonally. And you wanna do that because if the hair is growing that way, you wanna hit it that same direction that it grows in, so you can get it out and make a clean guideline. Now right here, we're gonna pass the 0 guard or your half guard or your 0.5 guard. You're gonna, I don't use this open all the way. I'll use it probably like halfway open. And as you can see, I'm just hitting it with the corners, making sure again that you go in the direction that the hair grows. You really want to be detailed with this area, because the 0.5 guard is kind of what brings everything together. Now what we're gonna do here is kind of knock out all the bulk with the 1.5 guard. This isn't really gonna make a guideline because we passed the one guard with the grain. All this is gonna do is just clear out that bottom guideline. And now right here, I'm just cleaning it up again, just making sure I'm not missing any hairs. And you always want to detail work, you know, just make sure you look at it and do whatever you think needs to be done to kind of make your blend look as best as possible. All right, so now we're gonna go to the back. We're gonna hit it with the one guard open. As you're gonna see, I'm gonna go pretty high on this. I'm gonna go about probably like till the middle of the back of his ear, probably like this area. Because again, there's not a lot of fading. It's a shadow taper, so you're gonna go up to like halfway to his ear with the one guard, and then we're gonna pass the 1.5 after this. You'll see. And I can see right here, we're passing the 1.5 guard. We're just knocking out the bowl because there's really not a lot to blend. We're kind of just cleaning it up to make a slight transition. It's not anything huge. I'm just hitting this side as well with the 1.5 guard. I like to be pretty persistent with this area just to make it look as clean as possible, you know. Now on this side, we're just gonna repeat all the steps, okay? So again, we're gonna hit it with the trimmers. Yeah. On this side, we're just gonna repeat the steps, so just vibe out to these beats and enjoy the rest of the video, guys, all right? All right, guys, that was the haircut. If you guys have any other questions, like I said, comment down below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video and my page. Hit that subscribe button. It's down there in the corner. You'll see it anywhere around here. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Always give it the thumbs up if you found it entertaining or informative in any way, shape, or form. And I'll see you guys soon, all right? Peace.